Hello and welcome to another video. I'm just your average tour guide, and today we're going to the Manitoba food truck battle, or you could just call it the food truck battles at the Assiniboia Downs, because that's where it's located. As you guys can tell, pretty much in the last couple weeks here, I'm just always at the Assiniboia Downs, I guess, but it's just what it is. It is what it is. And the audio wasn't working a little bit here, but the audio will work in the next part here. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Please enjoy. Tattoo right there. Oh my goodness. Cash only, okay. Food trucks are this way. Honey. Never had honey before. Goodness. Look at that. And over there. Nice. Then I guess the food trucks are over there, and then the bouncy castles are right there. There's a band right there. Movie theater style butter popcorn. Oh yeah. And then the food trucks are out there. Bouncy castle's right there. Let's head on in. We have lemonade, barbecue haze right there. Here, grilled Cheerios. Ice cream and tacos. Okay, it's right there. And oatmeals. Then lemonade. That's everything basically. BX, everything. The fair. That one. Lemon train. I don't even know what that one is. Oh, it's Firebird. And then lemon train there. Taco in a bag, poutine. That's interesting. Taco in a bag, poutine? Like, what does that even mean? This one. Milky's right there. Azroni. Lemonade. And then Adele. Adele has donuts. Everybody's got their own thing going on. Like Lil Wayne and his cat food. Corn dogs. Guy Fieri. That's Guy Fieri. Smoked. Joe's Italian King. That one right there, the Poutine King. It looks like Guy Fieri. Donut right there. That's Murat. Left the crook right there. I don't know what it is. Stamp. Euro Donaire. Jeepney. Right in my big knee. Deep fried cheese Cheerios. Food here. No name for it. Mini donuts right there. Piece of bistro right there. There, and lemonade right there. So, yeah. the little lemonade stand right there. And that's everything basically. Alright. Gonna have to head on out now. And see what we can, or maybe I'll find some food I can like, try it out, tell you guys what I think. And then record some more things on the way out. And then leave. Alright. Checking out the tattoo place real quick. Alright, one final recording here. They just painted this on the wall like 2 days ago on the Assiniboia Downs. This has not been here any other time but the time that we went there, and they just recently did this. This is basically the history of the Assiniboia Downs, the things that it was called. It was called Polo Park at one point. Here's a little close-up of a picture of what it did look like and all these things. Very cool, a little cool history and all the things that it was called, and then what it eventually became, which we know it as the Assiniboia Downs. And just cool history here, cool painting, cool little thing on the wall here. And it's so cool that you'll now see it from now on as you come into the races. It's a cool new thing. And I guess if you came to the food truck battles, you were the first ones to see it before everyone else who would come to the races. Anyway, guys, that is all. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a short one. I apologize for the cuts, but it is what it is. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!